Good day to you, Travis. Today is December 8th, Monday, and wow, the Dow's on a rally this morning. Fortunately, on a Monday morning, that's kind of rare. But some good news, or some speculations happening about some things that have happened, both globally as well as some statements here locally, or at least in our economy. First, President-elect Obama announced this weekend that there's going to be a massive flow of money into the infrastructure of the United States when he gets into office. And just the wording he used and the thought and the most likelihood that that's going to happen cause stocks to rally, as well as it sounds like legislators have agreed to terms on a program to help the big three automakers. Those of you that live here locally in Oregon, you saw the news probably this weekend that Joe Corsani's, the huge Ford dealership in Milwaukee, had to close down on Friday, or at least the employees got the cut on Friday. 55 employees were let go. And there's cars in service. There's all these cars in the lot. They said Ford representatives came in to take all the keys of all the cars there, and people that had their car in for service got to pick it up here, I guess, Monday morning, and service would be completed, but they're done. And so it's just scary to think that had the feds not stepped in and helped out the big three automakers, the far-reaching impact of how that's going to affect local communities with dealerships are already closing down. I know it's not unique to Oregon. I know a lot of dealerships have closed in other states, but to see it hit here so close to home makes you realize how bad the car industry really is off right now. And to have them file bankruptcy, I can just imagine the fallout is just amazing. Just a drop in value in your car alone. If you own a Ford and they go bankrupt and there's no Ford dealerships to service your car locally, that would be just devastating, I'm sure. So again, I don't like the idea of our tax money going to bail out big corporations, but again, I think it's a necessary evil. The good things that's also on the news is that for mortgage-backed securities, right now I said the Dow's up 300, but mortgage-backed securities were down this morning because usually they don't move in the same direction as each other. If stocks are improving, mortgage-backed securities are typically going the opposite direction because money's pulled out of one and put into the other. And so this morning, fortunately, mortgage-backed securities are flat, meaning they're not negative, and they might even go open or close positive today because there's some interesting things that are happening soon. Is right now the hedge fund managers, which manage trillions of dollars, they predict over 30% of money is parked in cash right now, meaning that it's not invested in the market. So, and this needs to be reinvested through between January 15th, February 15th timeframe, and so that money needs to be reinjected into trading into the market. So, with that being said, a lot of money come January, the Feds and Treasury have committed over $600 billion to start buying and backing mortgage-backed securities. And so once that money is available here come January, it should really make mortgage-backed securities more valuable. So I think that's why the Dow's up and mortgage-backed securities are not down. They're just flat, waiting, I think, just anticipating what's coming up. There's no big economic reports today. Again, just these reports coming out hitting the wires. Oil is actually up about $4 a barrel, so it jumped up nearly to $45 so far this morning. I think just based on our Dow improving and our stocks improving. But thank goodness though, because right now year to date, almost at the end of 2008, the Dow's down 40%, the Nasdaq is down 43%, and then the S&P is down 40% in 1 year. So I mean, we're due for a rally. And the great news, like I said, we're set up for a great first quarter of a huge rally based on the money parked in, like I said, cash with these hedge funds, as well as just the fact that we're due for it. I think we've truly hit bottom at this point. Outside of that, there's no real big other reports coming out today or tomorrow, so we're kind of mortgage-backed securities and mortgage rates will be kind of flowing with the direction of stocks. But like I said, we're up a lot and they're not down, so that's good news. Outside of that, that's pretty much it for today. So please call us if you have any questions about your rate or your mortgage right now, and we'd love to assist you in that. So have a great day. We look forward to serving you, and be blessed.